Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, I will show you a game between Tokhirjonova and Mona. This is a game from Chess Olympiad women's section played in Batumi, Georgia in 2018. Tokhirjonova had white pieces. She started with e4. Mona played e5. Knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, the Spanish game, a6, the standard move, bishop to a4, knight to f6, Tokhirjonova castled kingside, bishop to e7, rook to e1, defending the pawn before playing bishop takes knight and then knight takes on e5, b5, bishop to b3, and Mona castled kingside too, d4, c3 is the most played move, d4 was played, e takes on d4, and now e5, attacking the knight and gaining the space on the board. Knight to e8, bishop to d5, pinning the knight. Rook to b8, knight takes on d4. Knight takes on d4, queen takes on d4. c6, attacking the bishop. Bishop to f3. d5. Believe it or not, Black had a good success in the past with this variation. Pawn takes pawn en passant. Bishop takes on d6. Bishop to f4. Black to move. Bishop to b7 was played. c5 was played. In the game, Held and Fritsch played in 1999. Black went on to win the game. In our game we have bishop to b7. Still intending c5, but Tokhirjonova played b4, preventing c5. Queen to c7. Well, c5 could be played, but it is not effective anymore. So if c5 is played, b takes on c5, and if bishop takes on f3, c takes on d6. White is better. Back to our game. Queen to c7 was played. Bishop takes on d6. Knight takes on d6, knight to d2, rook from b to d8, knight to b3, intending knight to c5. The opportunity for black to play c5 is gone. Knight to c4, queen to c3, black bishop is useless on b7, so bishop to c8 was played, looking for a better employment opportunities. a4. Bishop to e6, knight to c5, queen to c8, a takes on b5, a takes on b5, knight takes on e6, f takes on e6, the pawn structure is damaged and white has a target. Bishop to g4, rook from d to e8, white to move. What would you do? What is the best move for white in this position? Tokhirjonova played rook to a7, invasion on the 7th rank. It's very unpleasant. Can you see why? The threat is queen takes on g7 checkmate. Rook to f6, queen to d4, queen to d8. Black would be happy to exchange queens. No luck. Rook to d7, queen to b6, offering to exchange queens again. What would you do? Would you exchange queens? If not, what is the best square for the white queen? This is the most interesting moment of the game. Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this awesome move? Rook takes pawn on e6. Kaboom! What a move! Black to move. Rook to a8 was played. If queen takes on d4, winning queen has a big downside. Rook takes rook check, and after rook to f8, bishop to e6 check, after king to h8, rook takes rook checkmate. And what else? If rook takes rook on e6, queen takes on g7 checkmate. So, Mona played rook to a8, white to move. What would you do now? Please pause again and find the best move for white. What did you find? Tokhirjonova played rook takes on g7 check. King to h8. What tells? If king takes rook, then queen takes on f6 check. After king to g8, rook to e7. Threatening checkmate on g7. And how to defend? There is no sensible defense, and let's go back. King to h8 was played. Queen takes on f6 and black resigned. Again, there is no sensible defense. Rook to a1 check doesn't work because queen takes rook. To prolong the game, black can play queen to d4. Then rook takes on h7 check. King takes on h7. Rook to e7 check. King to g8. And there is checkmate in one. Bishop to e6 checkmate. This game won the Brilliancy Prize in the round 5 of the women section. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.